Welcome to another exciting ride on Car Beats, where today we take you into the heart of one of the most iconic full-size SUVs in the market, the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe. This isn't just an update, it's a full evolution of the Tahoe's presence, performance, and personality. The 2026 model has been built with a mission: to redefine what a large SUV can offer in terms of technology, capability, and comfort. The moment you see it on the road, it demands attention with a bolder stance, more refined styling, and an aura that screams both power and prestige. Chevrolet has taken its decades-long mastery of SUV engineering and wrapped it in an all-new package that combines rugged strength with advanced sophistication. From the outside, the 2026 Tahoe takes on a sharper, more aerodynamic profile while still holding onto that boxy confidence people love. The new front grille design is massive yet sleek, with a combination of blacked-out elements and chrome accents depending on the trim level. Chevrolet's signature LED daytime running lights now flow in a more dramatic L shape, giving the Tahoe a distinctive look even from a distance. The hood has subtle sculpting, and the side body lines give off an athletic edge, hinting at the power underneath. Around the back, the LED taillights stretch wider, and the rear bumper design feels cleaner with hidden exhaust tips for a more premium touch. Optional 22-inch wheels, available in polished aluminum or gloss black, further enhance the Tahoe's commanding road presence. Step inside, and the transformation is even more impressive. The 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe's interior is a luxurious blend of advanced tech, fine materials, and thoughtful design. The cabin feels like a private lounge with high-quality soft touch surfaces, real wood or brushed aluminum trim, and premium leather upholstery on higher trims. The seating layout remains highly flexible, with up to 8 passengers accommodated comfortably, but now the second-row seats slide and recline with even greater range, making access to the third row easier than ever. The third row itself offers adult-friendly legroom, proving that this SUV isn't just about size on the outside, it's about maximizing usable space. Technology is where the Tahoe really makes its leap forward. Front and center is a massive 17-inch infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the dash with Chevrolet's latest multimedia interface. The system is lightning fast, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and comes with Google built-in for navigation, voice commands, and app integration. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display can be customized to show navigation maps, performance stats, or safety alerts. For the passengers, especially in the second row, available dual 12.6-inch rear entertainment screens can stream from multiple sources, keeping everyone engaged on long trips. The 19-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system immerses you in concert-quality sound, making every drive feel like your own private show. Power and performance have always been core to the Tahoe's appeal, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. Buyers can choose from a range of engines starting with a 5.3-liter V8 producing 355 horsepower, perfect for everyday driving and towing. For those who crave more, the 6.2-liter V8 pumps out an exhilarating 420 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and confident passing power. Both version 8s feature dynamic fuel management, seamlessly shutting off cylinders when full power isn't needed to improve efficiency. New for 2026 is an upgraded version of the 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel Inline-6, which now delivers 305 horsepower and a massive 495 pound-feet of torque, making it an outstanding choice for towing and long-distance travel. All engines are paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, sending power to either the rear wheels or all four wheels depending on configuration. Ride comfort and handling have also seen big improvements. The Tahoe's independent rear suspension remains, but it's now paired with the latest magnetic ride control and available air ride adaptive suspension. This means the SUV can automatically adjust ride height for better aerodynamics at highway speeds or raise itself for off-road clearance. It also absorbs bumps effortlessly, keeping the ride smooth no matter the road surface. Off-road enthusiasts will love the Z71 trim, which comes with skid plates, all-terrain tires, a 2-speed transfer case, and a unique front fascia for improved approach angles. Whether it's a family vacation on the highway or a weekend adventure in the mountains, the 2026 Tahoe is ready for anything. Chevrolet has also doubled down on safety. The 2026 Tahoe comes standard with Chevy Safety Assist, which includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, following distance indicator, and IntelliBeam automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system are available for extra confidence. A new addition for 2026 is intersection collision assist, which can detect oncoming vehicles when turning left and automatically apply brakes if needed. The available Super Cruise hands-free driving system works on over 750,000 miles of compatible roads in the US and Canada, allowing drivers to relax while the Tahoe handles steering, acceleration, and braking under certain conditions. Practicality is just as important as luxury, and the Tahoe nails it. Cargo capacity is massive, with 25.5 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding to over 122 cubic feet with both the second and third rows folded flat. A hands-free power liftgate with programmable height makes loading easy, even when your hands are full. Hidden storage compartments, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and plenty of cup holders keep the cabin organized and ready for busy families. Towing capacity remains one of the best in the segment, with properly equipped Tahoes able to tow up to 8,400 pounds. Whether it's a boat, a camper, or a pair of jet skis, the Tahoe is up for the challenge. Trim options give buyers a wide range of styles and capabilities. The LS and LT trims focus on value and comfort, offering plenty of standard features without overcomplication. The RST brings a sportier look with blacked-out trim, unique wheels, and red interior stitching. The Z71 caters to the off-road crowd with rugged styling and mechanical upgrades. The Premier trim elevates the luxury factor with premium materials, advanced driver assists, and more chrome detailing. Sitting at the top is the High Country trim, featuring the exclusive 6.2-liter V8, bronze accents, and the most advanced features available. No matter the trim, the 2026 Tahoe is built to impress. Fuel efficiency has seen subtle but important improvements thanks to aerodynamic refinements, cylinder deactivation, and engine start-stop technology. The diesel option offers excellent highway mileage for such a large SUV, making it a practical choice for those who frequently cover long distances. Chevrolet has also made strides in reducing noise, vibration, and harshness inside the cabin, so you can enjoy a peaceful, refined environment even when cruising at high speeds. In the world of full-size SUVs, competition is fierce, but the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe stands out by offering a complete package. It's not just about power or luxury, it's about how seamlessly those elements blend together. You get the strength to handle heavy loads, the refinement to make every journey comfortable, and the technology to keep you connected and safe. It's an SUV that works as hard as it plays, perfect for big families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a commanding presence on the road. As you take in the details of the 2026 Tahoe, it's clear that Chevrolet has listened to its customers. The updates aren't just for show, they solve real-world needs. More comfort, more convenience, more capability, and more style all come together in a way that keeps the Tahoe ahead of the pack. It's a reminder that even in a world leaning toward smaller SUVs and electric vehicles, there's still a place for a bold, body-on-frame, full-size SUV that refuses to compromise. The 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe is proof that evolution doesn't mean losing your identity. Instead, it means refining what works and enhancing every detail. Whether you're driving through city streets, crossing state lines on a family vacation, or hauling gear for your next big adventure, the Tahoe delivers with confidence and class. It's the kind of vehicle that makes every trip feel like a special occasion, and it's ready to take on whatever you throw at it. So, as we wrap up this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe, it's easy to see why it continues to be a leader in its class. Bold, capable, luxurious, and packed with innovation, it's the SUV that doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of power, space, and style, the new Tahoe might just be your perfect match. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your journeys unforgettable, here on Car Beats.